This week on Theme Park Bar, we're celebrating St. Patrick's Day at the Rose and Crown in EPCOT's World Showcase Pavilion, as I'm showing you how to make the appropriately named Leaping Leprechaun.
Who else in the Leprechaun say yeah?
Hello, my name is Matt, and welcome to Theme Park Bar. I am a career bartender and an Orlando native who wants to show you how to make the best signature drinks from around the world and across the universe. Here at Theme Park Bar, we know the best attractions are the ones served in a glass. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. How did that happen? We are already halfway through March. Whether you're someone who just wants to celebrate their traditional Irish heritage, you love a parade, or you're still trying to get over the PTSD of last St. Patrick's Day, St. Patrick's Day is just one of the handful of days of the year that everyone kind of agrees it's a good idea and go and get f***ed up together. It's one of the ultimate party holidays of the year. And this week's drink, the Leaping Leprechaun, is going to be the perfect cocktail for three very distinct reasons. One, it contains Irish whiskey. Two, it's green. And three, it's called Leaping Leprechaun. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. This drink is sweet, strong, and is guaranteed to get you doing a little Irish jig in no time flat. Here's what you're going to need. 1 ounce of Irish whiskey, 1 ounce of vodka, 1 ounce of Silver Rum, melon liqueur, sour drink mix, and topped off with Sprite. Now, what makes Irish whiskey different from every other whiskey out there? Well, from a legal standpoint, it's made in Ireland. That's pretty much it. I tend to find Irish whiskey tends to be a bit sweeter than American style whiskeys or even Scotch, but from a legality standpoint, to be considered Irish whiskey, it has to be made in Ireland. Pretty easy, right? All right, let's go ahead and get the Leaping Leprechaun working here for you. We're gonna start off with my favorite thing, a mixing glass full of ice. Of course, this is our St. Patrick's Day drink, so we're gonna start off with the true star of the show, some Jameson Irish whiskey. I love me some Jameson. Oh boy, I love me some Jameson. 1 ounce of that straight into the glass. We're gonna come right behind that with 1 ounce of vodka. Right after that, we have 1 ounce of our Silver Rum. I'm using Don Q Superior today, but you can use whatever Silver Rum you want. Bacardi Silver, amazing. Myers Platinum, go for it. Silver Rum, 1 ounce. And I'm gonna throw in 1 ounce of Midori melon liqueur. It is gonna be a green leprechaun-y looking drink. So you can't have a green drink without some Midori. That's just kind of the rules around here. 1 ounce of that straight in there. I'm gonna top it off with about 3 ounces of sour. I normally measure it out, but you know, I'm feeling loose today. It's St. Patrick's Day, it's a holiday. All right, from there, grab your tin, seal it up, and give it a very quick shake. That's it, we're done shaking. Quick and easy, easy peasy. We're gonna top that off with about 2 ounces of lemon lime soda. I don't know about you guys, but when I hear lemon lime soda, my mind instantly goes to Sprite. Use whatever you want, use your Sierra Mist, use 7-Up. It's all really the same at the end of the day, but in this house, we're serving Sprite. So just splash of that, about 2 ounces or so. Get your serving glass, and easy enough, pour it right in. This is a quick and easy drink to throw together. We're pretty much done. You're gonna want to throw on a quick garnish. Got a traditional fruit flag here of an orange and basic Betty cherry. And there you go, guys. The Leaping Leprechaun, straight from the Rose and Crown at EPCOT's UK Pavilion. 4 shots of liquor. It's green. It's called the Leaping Leprechaun. You got yourself St. Patrick's Day right here in a glass for you. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. Let's throw in a straw. You know, it has to be green, of course. All right, let's see what we got going on in here. Ooh. Oh, not as overpoweringly sweet as I was expecting it to be. Irish whiskey tends to run on the sweeter side of things. You got rum, you got the sour, you got the Sprite. Midori is a sweet liqueur. But it's not crazy. It's not over the top. It doesn't taste like pure diabetes. The Irish whiskey brings a nice little bit of smokiness to it, and I think that's what helps kind of level everything out. This drink definitely tastes like it was made in 1984. It definitely has a really strong 80s vibe going on to it, but you know, some good stuff came out of the 80s, like myself, EPCOT, Hollywood studios. A lot of good stuff. A lot of good stuff came out of the 80s. Hollywood Studios is good. Don't you worry. Yeah, this is really interesting. This is kind of like the Irish cousin for a Tokyo tea, which is the Japanese cousin of a Long Island iced tea. 4 liquors, sour, soda mix. Pretty simple, cut and dry, straightforward stuff. This is a great drink for St. Patrick's Day if you're looking for something that's not as like heavy in your tummy as like a Guinness or doing just straight shots of Jameson, which is kind of more my speed. As quick and as easy as this drink was to put together, it's even easier to take down. It doesn't taste nearly as strong as you and I both know it is. You saw we have 4 whole ounces of alcohol in there. If you're not careful, this drink is going to be a fast pass to Drunkville. Well, even if you are careful, this drink is going to take you places pretty dang quick. All right, everyone, that's going to do it here for St. Patrick's Day at Theme Park Bar with the Leaping Leprechaun. Is this something you're going to try to make for you and your friends on St. Patrick's Day, or are you more of a Guinness and Jameson type of person? You know, I love that Jameson. I know I told you earlier. I know you're paying attention. Let me know in the comments below either way. Now, one thing I want everyone to do this St. Patrick's Day, or really any day you're going out and drinking and celebrating, is please be safe. St. Patrick's Day is one of the deadliest nights of the year for drinking and driving. I don't want anyone to be another statistic. Drinking while drunk is incredibly stupid. Don't be stupid, guys. Have a designated sober driver or call an Uber or a cab. It is going to be so much safer and cheaper than getting a DUI, and it honestly could save your life. If you're new to the channel, I'm glad to have you here. Come back next week. Hit that subscribe button to make sure you never miss another sip. Chat with me all over the internet, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff at ThemeParkBar. And you can also support the show down below at patreon.com/ThemeParkBar. Remember, when you're going out, to please always be safe, drink responsibly, and never forget to tip your bartenders. Especially if they're serving green beer, that bartender's gonna have green dye on their hand for weeks, and it takes forever to wash out. Like always, be safe. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Cheers. Bye.